Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat camera problem on iPhone. If you're using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you have to open your App Store, go for search, and just simply search for Snapchat, and you just have to make sure that you're up to date. You haven't any pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find this, try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so first close your Snapchat app and then open your settings app. Scroll down and look for apps section. Scroll down and just look for Snapchat app over here. Once you get Snapchat, select it. Here you'll see a setting of camera. You just have to enable these settings to allow Snapchat to use your camera, and after enabling this setting your issue must have to be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if your Snapchat camera is not working in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.